I'm starting it back over. My name is Doreen. These are my children. Angela, Donnell, Jessica, Tyrone, Sky. This one right here is Nicole. This one right here is Doreen. These are my children. I hope y'all like this video and give thumbs up if you do. And I will see if I can do some more. And what kind of videos do y'all want me to do? This is my first time ever done this. And I do got one more baby, but that's my biggest baby. And that's my baby that's in the crib. And that's Dang Dang. That's my cat name. He's the oldest of all of my babies.